The iPad is honestly the best product Apple's ever made. Seriously, it's the only product that can actually do it all. Don't believe me? Let me prove it to you. Lots of people say they don't like iPads because they're not powerful enough and they don't have pro apps, which is kind of true, but also kind of wrong. Let me explain. Let's get this out of the way. Yes, pro apps are very limited on the iPad. Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, they all exist on the iPad now, but are still scaled down compared to the Mac counterparts. So yeah, if you're a full-time video editor or audio engineer, you're definitely better off getting a Mac. But here's the thing. Most people don't need those apps at all. And if you do, the iPad is a great companion device for those apps. You can use Sidecar to extend your Mac, use AirDrop or iCloud to move files between devices instantly. And when you're not editing, the iPad becomes a sketchbook, laptop, TV, or kind of a gaming device. Safari on iPad is basically just the desktop browser now. Ever since iPadOS 13, it defaults to full desktop sites, not mobile ones like the iPhone. You can use extensions, download files, and even connect external drives. And with touch controls, browsing feels even more natural. You can pinch to zoom, swipe to navigate, just feels really natural. Next is emailing and messaging, and the iPad handles it flawlessly. Use the Mail app, Gmail, Outlook, whatever you want. Add a Magic Keyboard or any Bluetooth keyboard, and it feels just like a MacBook. You've also got FaceTime and iMessage, Slack, or Zoom, and I think they work better on an iPad than on a Mac. Plus, with iPadOS 26, you now get windowed apps, which make it feel just like a Mac. Let's talk about entertainment, because the iPad might be the best portable entertainment device on the planet. The displays on iPads are gorgeous. For example, on the new iPad Pro, you get the new tandem OLED display, which honestly looks really good. And even though the iPad Pro is so thin, the speakers still sound pretty good. If you buy any Apple product, you're probably not buying it for gaming. But the iPad is probably the best gaming device that Apple sells. Okay, now let's talk about the big one, work. Yes, you actually can work on the iPad. And I'm not just talking about emails, I'm talking about docs, spreadsheets, presentations, and even more creative tools. Files management honestly on iPad used to be a pain, but files have come a long way with iOS 26. It's not quite macOS, but it is pretty darn close. And for 95% of people, it's perfect. Now let's talk hardware, because iPads are just built different. What's cool about an iPad is it's not just one thing. It can be a computer, a media tablet, a notebook. It can be pretty much anything you can think of, and that's why it makes it so good to have. And the accessories only make it better. Apple Pencil Pro, external SSDs, game controllers, camera SD card readers. It's kind of like a modular setup. You get whatever you need and you're good to go. Whether you go with the budget iPad, iPad mini, or the iPad Pro, they're all super powerful. I mean, the iPad Pros have the same chip as the MacBooks. This is good because it helps give the iPads a super long battery life and everything is super fast, like instant. The iPad never lags. Battery life on iPads is really good. With 10 plus hours of battery life, it beats most laptops. And portability, there's literally no comparison. I mean, an iPad mini can literally fit in my pocket. Try that with a MacBook. For students, it's great for notes, media, and typing. Creators can use it for drawing apps, photo editing, video editing on the go, and parents can use screen time controls, FaceTime, and media. Is the iPad perfect? No. But it's definitely the most versatile, fun, and underrated Apple product there is. It can be your computer, TV, sketchbook. It's kind of just your everything. So if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.